So you wanted to remove backgrounds directly into Canva. The process actually is not going to be that hard, so let's get started. The first thing we wanted to do is to get started here into canva.com. Now I must tell you that if you don't have a free version, it will be really difficult to do this element because Canva, these tools of the background remover only works with Canva Pro. So if you wanted to try out Canva Pro for free, there's a link down below in the description so you can try it out totally for free. If you don't, there's another solution that I can give you, but first let's get started with this specific idea. So first of all, what I want to be doing here is to go directly into Canva. I'm gonna head for the left section that says create. Inside create, what you can do is to start with an actual template or go directly, let's say for example, with an actual photo like an Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail, whatever. Select that element and you're going to be inside here. So what you want to do is to click directly into the page that you would like to add your own image. Go for uploads, upload files. Inside upload files, I'm going to add a photo of the element that I would like to delete. Let's say for example this Pokemon. So I add this Pokemon. What I want to do is to resize this as I would like to, and there we go. So since we already have Canva Pro, the most easiest thing to do is just to select my image once it has been downloaded, and into the upper left corner go for background remover. Just like that, the background will no longer be added inside here. Now if your image is in a low quality, it might be looking a little bit different or weird. If this happens, then instead of going for the background remover, go for edit. Inside edit, here we have the artificial intelligence tools. Let's go for see all. And inside here, what I wanted to do is to select the element that says the magic wrap. Here into magic wrap, what's going to happen is it's going to be understanding basically what you wanted to grab from that image. So you can either click or you can brush this. So if you go for the brush size, you can just select the elements that you wanted to see in the image only, and you select the whole image. And the AI of Canva will be analyzing what kind of element would you like to use only for that specific image. So just like that, as you can see, the magic graph will be selecting only the elements that I chose. So as you can see, it gave me a different background and it actually doesn't look that bad, but in this case I will delete this because this is not what we're actually looking for. And the last solution that I can give you, just in case this didn't work for you, let's say that you are not able to delete the actual background of the image. If you already edited your image into Canva, what you can do is to select the page, share, download, and select only this specific page and go for download. When you download your image with this background, I'm going to open a new tab and let's go for background remover free. Then you have the pixel code AI or the remove that background. There are a few applications that can be using this element for you. Now the problem with this kind of images is that sometimes the background doesn't work that well. So I believe that the free version gave you like great opportunities for deleting the actual background, but still, if this one actually worked for you, then what you just need to do is to go for download and you go for the free version. Something else that it doesn't is like too well is that sometimes the actual resolution of your image is not that great. Yes, you don't have the background anymore, but sometimes there's a little reduction onto the resolution, so you might want to take that in mind. If you want to just stick around everything with Canva, I strongly suggest you to stick around with the Canva Pro elements. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. See you next time.